Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Moya, Baddies and the Bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Did y'all see? I just hit 4K. Ooh! Oh my god, isn't God amazing? Isn't he good? I just want to thank him so much for making this happen for me. I feel so happy, y'all. I know it's not 10K, but it's definitely somewhere where I didn't even think that I would be able to reach when I started this channel. So I want to give thanks to the Most High, because without him, I couldn't have been where I'm at today. And I also want to give you guys thanks, because without you guys, I wouldn't have been where I'm at today either. So I want to give you guys such a big thank you for pushing and giving me your support. You guys are awesome. I say this every single time, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. You guys are actually the best. Ain't no way, this ain't even possible, blah blah blah, yada 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 yaha. So I want to thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have shown. You guys are awesome. So in today's video, I want to show you guys some new arrivals, what's new on the website, and I also wanted to tell you guys about the 4K subscribers sale. Yes, because you guys have got me this far, I want to do a sale for you guys, and this is the biggest sale I've ever done since I've opened the website. And this sale is only gonna last for 2 days. So try to catch the sale. I also want you guys to know that there is Shop Pay on my website. So you guys can do that little paying for thing. I don't know if you guys are aware of that, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention as well. But we are doing a 4K subscriber sale for all the support that you guys have given me. I want to give you a massive sale. So before we get into showing you guys all the items that are new on the website, let us talk about the positive quote for today. Today's positive quote is, today, just focus on being a little better than yesterday. And that, my friend, is how you will get to success. This is how you will succeed. This is how you will achieve your goals. And this is how you will be a better person. Just try to be better each and every day. Even if it's just a small change, a change is a change. Doesn't matter how small or how big it is. So yes, 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 yes. Focus on being a little better than yesterday. So let's just get into all the nice products that we have. Okay, so I do want to tell you guys that we have some new binders. I know, right? Guys, we have some new binders. We have some new binders. This is not a new binder. This binder have been on my website. This is the month ahead binder. The only thing with the month ahead binder, I've changed the dashboard. So it's a new dashboard, and this is what it looks like. And the greatest part about what's now available to you guys on the website is that you can now buy the dashboards for the binders by themselves, and you can also get, guess what I did? Ta-da! You can also get the acetate, y'all. So I have now added the acetate to the dashboards on the website, so you guys will be able to purchase the dashboard with the acetate if you like the look of the acetate. That's now available, and I have two types of acetate. I have this one, which is like a floral one, and then I have the polka dot acetate. See how it looks? It's like a monochrome. It's like a monochrome polka dot thing going, but it is an acetate. Look how pretty. That's just beautiful. I like how it's just reflecting, and that's what it looks like. So the acetate is now available with the dashboards. If you guys want to purchase that, it's an option on the website. But yeah, I think it gives it a nice little touch. I love it very much. So let's talk about the binders that are available. So you guys already know that we have the month ahead binder, which has been available to you guys. So the month ahead binder is available with a new dashboard. We have the saving challenge binder. This is without the acetate. If you guys want to add the acetate, that's going to be an option for you, so you can choose the binder with the acetate. That will be available to you. So this is the challenges binder, and along with the challenges binder, you get 8 challenges inside, and it also will come with 8 envelopes as well. So each binder will come with 8 zippered envelopes, and then you guys will be able to choose your categories. On the website, you'll be able to type in what you want your categories to be. For the challenges binder, you can't type a category because it's gonna automatically come with a saving challenge. For the month ahead binder, you can't type a category because it already have the categories. It's only one category. But for every other binder, you will be able to type a category. So you'll be able to choose what you want your categories to be. There's a box there for you to type that in. Please make sure you type every single word correctly, exactly how you want it to be, so that there's no confusion when I ship these off, because I am literally going to write or make it exactly what you put in the box. So please look it over and make sure you type the right thing. So the month ahead binder is there, the challenges binder is there as well, and you have the option to add acetate or no acetate. Okay, so it's all up to you. So month ahead challenges, guess what? I decided to add the high priority binder. Isn't this pretty? So cute. So the high priority binder is available now on the website. You guys can purchase that if you like, and you also have the option to add the acetate or not, up to you. So this binder comes with the dashboard and 8 envelopes with categories of your choice. They're all zippered envelopes. So you can also buy the dashboard by itself. So all the binders, you'll be able to purchase the dashboard if you only just want the dashboard, and you'll have the choice to do the dashboard with or without the acetate. So we have the high priority binder. We have the bills binder. Yes, baby. Acetate or no acetate, completely your choice. And this is the dashboard for the bills binder. And we also have the dashboard alone available as well, with or without the acetate. So if you guys already have your binders, yes, all of the dashboards are now available to you with or without acetate. And if you don't have your binders in yet, okay, purchase the whole thing. Next, we have the sinking funds binder. Yes, it's available finally. Sinking funds is now an option. You can purchase the sinking funds binder, and you have the choice to choose your 8 categories. Type them in the list below. Guess what? Now we have a low priority binder as well. So if you want a low priority, it's there, and the dashboard is also there as well. If you guys just want the dashboard only, it is available to you. And last but not least, we do have the vacation binder as well. It's just a new dashboard, but yes, the vacation binder is also available as well. If you guys only want the dashboard, you will be able to purchase the dashboard only. So these are the new binders that are being added to the website. And on top of that, you guys, guess what your girl done did? Your girl done made it possible for you to purchase the whole set So if you want, I have a set of 4, so it's the 4-piece binder bundle. It includes the high priority binder, the challenges binder, the sinking funds binder, and the bills binder. This is great for beginners. If you're just starting out or you are revamping your binders and you want the whole set, you'll be able to purchase the whole set that will be available on the website. It is called the 4-piece binder bundle. That will be there. On top of that, if you guys want to purchase every single binder, we also have an 8-piece binder bundle for you guys as well. So if you guys want the 8-piece binder bundle, it will be available. And in this 8-piece bundle, you will get the high priority, the challenges, the sinking funds, the bills, the vacation, the low priority, the month ahead, and self-care. So all those binders will be included in the 8-piece bundle, along with all binders having envelopes in them, and all envelopes are going to be labeled. So basically everything will be done for you. Dashboards, binder, envelopes, labels, the whole shebang. If you can't do it and you just don't have the time, your girl could do it for you, baby. So we have the 8-piece bundle, we have the 4-piece bundle, and we have all these binders. We have new dashboards, and we have acetate available to you guys. I'm so excited because these are super cute. Super cute. So on top of the binders and the whole acetate and dashboard thing, and by the way, these are the acetates, so you guys will be able to choose either the polka dot monochrome acetate or the floral rose gold acetate. So they will be available on the website to go with the dashboard, so you guys have the option to choose. On top of that, we have a few new challenges that I want to bring to your attention. This is the You Are Worth It challenge, and with the You Are Worth It challenge, we have a page with $20, a page with $5 bills, a page with $10 bills, and a page with $15 bills. And these are a part of the You're Worth It challenge. Now this challenge is new and it's there on the website, and as you guys see, they are a little bit bigger. So they are not A6 size, they are actually like almost like the dashboard sizes. So you guys will just keep these and just have you could either have an envelope that you guys stuff in these with. So You're Worth It is available. We also have the Sweet Tooth challenge, and yes, you guys can see why I call it Sweet Tooth, because it's all sweet desserty things. So we have an ice cream challenge, which is save, why does it say save $100? It should be 200. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh! Okay, so it saved $200 on this. I made a mistake, but it's okay, I'll fix it. So save $200 on the ice cream challenge, save $200 on the donut challenge, so you'll be able to save $200 on the donut, and each candy is $15 on this challenge. So this is the 3-piece Sweet Tooth set, and this is also the size of the dashboard, so it's not A6, it's not supposed to go in your binder. It's just saving challenges, that you keep them wherever you keep your challenges, and then you have an envelope for the whole set. So this is available as well. I think these are like super cute. And then we have, this is just literally just one page, and it's the $500 in 30 days. Save $500 in 30 days. So each day you will go ahead and you will shade in a circle, whichever circle you can shade in. I have increments of 20, 10, and 50, and this is the $500 in 30 days challenge, and it is also a bigger size saving challenge, and you guys can use your Sharpies to mark each off. So in my challenges binder, I have 2 challenges binder. I have one that I have an envelope for multiple different challenges, and then I have my other challenges binder that's just when I'm doing like an 8-piece challenge or a 9-piece challenge or a 7-piece, where it's multiple different sized challenges. So the challenges binder, it literally has an envelope for each of my challenges, as y'all can see. So as y'all can see in this binder, this is the scratch and save envelope. So this is an envelope for my scratch and save challenge. This is where every time I do my scratch and save, my Hello Kitty scratch and save bundle, this is where the money goes. Then I have an envelope for roll the dice. So every time I do my roll the dice, I put the money in here. So now I can add an envelope for $500 in 30 days. I can add an envelope for the Sweet Tooth challenge. I can add an envelope for the You Are Worth It. So you get it? So you have one binder with challenges, and each envelope is for each saving challenge that you have. So that's what I mean when I say you can have an envelope for each challenge. So we have the $500 in 30 days. And then last but not least, we have the $20 Fridays challenge. So every Friday you will add $20. You will color in one of your little $20 jars, and you will add your $20 into your envelope. So we have the $20 Fridays, we have the $500 in 30 days, we have the Sweet Tooth challenge, and we have You Are Worth It, and we have a bunch of binders. So these are all our new arrivals on the website and will be included in the 4K subscriber sale. Now, talking about the 4K subscriber sale, this is what the sale is going to be. Drum roll, taps and a 40% off your entire order. Yes, I said it. It's a 4K subscriber, so I decided to keep the 4 and just add a 0 to the end and say 40% off your entire order. Now this sale is only going to last 2 days. 2 days. 2 days. Are you kidding? It's 40% off, okay? It's only for 2 days. That's it. It's a wrap. Done. So we have Shop Pay. You guys can pay in 4s or whatever. That's available on the website. I think there's a limit though, like you have to spend $50 or more in order to do the Shop Pay, I think. But yes, 4K subscriber sale, 40% off your entire order, only for 2 days. So it starts today. Today is the 26th, I think. July 26th, the sale has already started. What are you waiting for? Head on over to the website and go and place your order before things are sold out. Especially the binders, because these go like hot bread. Hot bread. As they come in stock, they're out of stock. I did want to say that if you guys didn't catch it on the last video, I am no longer doing the laminated envelopes. They are too time consuming. They kill me, literally. So now we're back to our regular zippered envelopes. I'm using my Cricut machine to create labels for you guys. So that's what we are going to be doing moving forward. So go ahead and place your orders, enjoy the sale, and thank you guys once again for all the love and support that you guys have given me. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.